Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Facebook login history. So first step you need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open, click on your profile picture on the top right. From here, you need to scroll down, click on settings and privacy and click on this arrow. Once you are here, you simply need to click on settings. In settings, you simply need to scroll down and click on activity log. Once you are here, scroll down and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on security and login information and click on where you are logged in, and here you can see all the details of your last login. And if you want to delete, you simply need to click on this trash, and after that you need to select all the details and you simply need to delete. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.